Hi, welcome to this Unity beginner tutorial. I will show you the things in Unity. Right here, this is called the hierarchy. I'll make this as quick as possible. This is where all your objects will be storing. As you can see, this is the main camera. This will tell you the objects in the scene, and this is where you can add objects to the scene too. This is the game tab. This is where your game. This is how your game will look like. This is the scene tab. This is where you can add things and do things, move objects and other things. You need to carry this. Normally it won't be right here. This is the inspector tab. This is show the properties of the object. You can change it. Then the next thing, I'll show you how to create an object. So let me right click. You can right click here or click on pause here. I will right click here. Click on cube. This is the cube. This is one cube. As you can see, you need to be like, oh no, my cube is not white. You can add materials later, but I will not show you that. This is how you can pan around the camera if you hold right shift. No, not hold right shift. I mean hold the right click and just you can like turn around the scene like this. And if you press the if you press the middle mouse button and hold it, you can do something like this, like pan around the scene. You see, these are three axes of the world. This is the x-axis, this is the z-axis, and this is y-axis. The y means like something like the height. This is the horizontal, this is vertical, and this is the depth. Very easy. The next thing is, this is the inspector for the cube. This is the properties of the cube. This is transform. I'll show you about the transform. The scale. Nothing hard to understand. This is rotation, and this is the position. This is the cube. This is how the cube will look like. This is the mesh renderer. And you're gonna see this. This is called box collider. But I'm not recommending you to change the shape of the cube like that, because it will not match with the box collider. I want to add in another object. Just click on create object and add it. Actually, you need to care about two of these. This is pretty important. This is called the box collider. This is actually the wall of the cube. This is the thing where it makes the cube solid. As you can see, these are green lines. These are colliders. This is, what should I say? This is like the bones of the cube. So let me show you. It will change. It changes to. I think I changed it to 2. Actually, if it changes to 2, it will multiply the size of the cube by 2. It's very easy. The scale is actually how you multiply the shape of the cube. The scale of the cube. Now the next thing, I think, show you this now. You see this tab? This is where you can. This is all the controls. I'll show you now. The W means to move to. E, you're pressing on a keyboard. It will be the rotation tool, and R will be the scaling tool. Hold the middle. If you haven't yet, the middle button can click, so you just hold that middle button. Well, without scrolling, with the middle button. And the right click is just hold the right click, and you can orbit it, like that. So this is all the shortcuts. It's not actually all the shortcuts, but this is the most common shortcuts. The next thing is, I'll show you how to add the color to the cube. But before that, I will show you how the collider works. Actually, if I add in a new cube here, sorry, but let me move off the camera quick. So the camera, so you can see that. You can see the simulation, kind of. So this is the thing right here. And when you click on this cube, you can click on the cube to access it. I'll show you. This is the boss slider. This is the collider and the collider. Let me add in a rigid body. This is the gravity of the game. This rigid body is the gravity. And if you take this and boom, this is the collider. As you can see, when two colliders meet each other, it will stop. It will collide with each other without any problem. What should I say? Like me stabbing punching the table. My hand has a collider, and the table also has a collider, so it will stay still right there. It's actually colliding. It's actually the collider. The next thing is, I'll show you how to add color to your cube. The next thing is, I'll create a folder for materials. You shouldn't be doing this, actually. Oh, I forgot. We'll show you how to create a project. Sorry. This is how you install Unity. You're gonna go to Unity Hub, go to Install, click on Add, then go to Next, and don't forget to, if you're seeing, oh my god, I have this slow amount of storage and you can't install Visual Studio, you need to click on it. It's very important. Or you can't code. The next thing is, this is the Learn tab. You need to get the 2019 version to go and play the Learn tab. Now, the Project tab, this is how you create a new project. Click on New to create a project, or click on the drop down to select the version that you want to create the project with. Very easy. Now, let's get back. When we create the materials folder, so I can I can make the project tab more cleaner. This is the console. This will display the errors. Create a new material. We're gonna name this. You can name this anything. But I will name this blah blah blah. I don't know. But I like period, so I'll just drag this in. But I was saying, oh my god, oh no, this doesn't look any good. This doesn't look like 100%. Just go into the emission tab, and you're gonna get this. Okay, now a very good thing too to find the mandatory game is going to the asset store on unity.com. This is the website. But you might say, oh my god, it already had the asset store here, but it moves. So you wanna do that. Now when we get into this package manager, this is how you can add assets to it. You're gonna search at the thing that you want. I want something like trees. I just click on, don't forget to sign too, actually. And just find the tree that you want. Like this one, click on add to my assets. This is going to take some time, actually. Yeah, when you add it to your, click on add to your assets right here. But actually, just the size is a little big. Then the next thing is, when you add the thing that you wanted, just go to my assets tab, and then you're done. Now the next thing is, and you can just download that. You click on download and just add it. Pretty easy. Then the next thing is, we need to create a new material for this cube. Create a material. I will make this material rigid cube. It looks pretty cool, so I don't know. I will make this blue so you can see it really good. I like this color, but I think the color looks a little bit bad when getting into the game, so I'm gonna just do this. I'm not a professional, by the way. The next thing is, now as you can see, we have the cubes. Yeah, this can be a game. You can upload this to any game production thing website, which, yeah, this game is a very good game. Actually, just gonna see, this is Shadow. As you can see, now we have a very good game, the best game of 2020. I'm not sure what the heck is a drag, but I don't know, I'll try adding in the drag. Yeah, that looks a little bit neater. So yeah, drag is actually, I don't know. Actually, this is how you can use Unity. Well, what about scripting? I think not now. Not now, by the way. Actually, we can. We can do it. But not now, actually. So, you like this tutorial? If this tutorial get 100 views, I will create a tutorial on how to script in Unity. Well. Thanks for watching.